hydrogen-powered train could replace diesel engines in Germany. Siemens and Germany's rail operator Deutsche Bahn have announced plans to test a hydrogen-powered train with a range of more than 370 miles, technology that promises to reduce CO2 emissions and help make 1,300 diesel units obsolete. The company said in a joint statement that tests of a train equipped with a new hydrogen drive were commenced in 2024 and run for 1 year. The two-car train will have a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, and it can be recharged in just 15 minutes. The train, which is called the mins2020, will run between 3 cities in the German state of Baden-Württemberg, replacing a conventional diesel-powered unit running on the route. The new hydrogen drive will save around 330 tons of CO2 a year, the company said. Hydrogen drives are an advanced emission-free form of propulsion that will help decarbonize rail transport and make a significant contribution toward achieving our climate targets, Siemens Mobility CEO Michael Peter said in a statement. The Deutsche Bahn operates around 1,300 diesel trains in regional service, and roughly 40% of its 33,000 kilometers rail network has not yet been electrified, meaning trains can't run using overhead power lines. The company plans to eliminate diesel trains from its network by 2050. The mins2020 will be powered by a battery and fuel cells that converts hydrogen and oxygen into electricity. The two-car train will have a range of 600 kilometers, and Siemens said it would also develop a three-car version with a range of 1,000 kilometers, whether powered by overhead line electricity or hydrogen. The decisive factor is that the energy comes from renewable resources, Baden-Württemberg Transport Minister Winfried Helfermann said in a statement. This country wants to be a pioneer in modern, sustainable rail transport. Hydrogen has long been considered a promising energy source for rail networks. France Alstom tested a hydrogen-powered train in northern Germany between 2018 and 2020 and has expanded the service into some routes in Austria. European regulators blocked Siemens' proposed acquisition of Alstom in 2019, saying the merge could have harmed computation in railway signaling systems and very high-speed trains.